it is all about my favorite thing to buy, and that is shoes. I love buying shoes. Actually, that's the first thing I look for actually when I go to a store. Let's get right into summer 2020, my favorite shoes. They are, number one, I'm going to start off with the sneaker. I know I told you guys in the top designer shoes for the summer happened to be like the Gucci sneaker was number one. I told you I didn't have those designer sneakers, but what I do have as my fun pair go-to sneakers is my Hermes Oran Sandals, and I love these. My niece actually turned me on to these several years ago, and they're my go-to fun summer sneaker to wear when I kind of want to make something like look more casual, more kind of like more hip and more younger and more youthful. This is my go-to sneaker. You can definitely still find these online. They come in black and white and high top, low top. Just kind of wear this with anything from sweats to shorts to even a leather skirt and still kind of make it fun. This one is definitely not going to be a surprise. Okay, yes, my Gucci Princetown. I love anybody who's looking for new shoes. I'm like, oh, have you tried these yet? They're like, yes, Jackie. Especially my girlfriend's like, yes, Jackie. I'm like, I don't know. I never thought I would love having these so much. If you like having a closed toe shoe, you will love having these. You're going to wear these so much. Dress up, dress down, shorts, sweats, dress, it doesn't matter. In my opinion, they go with everything. This is actually my very first pair of Valentinos, and they are Gladiators. And I will link the information below. Although I bought these a couple years ago, I did some research for you because I love them so much. I hate giving you recommendations if I don't have anything to replace it with. And luckily enough, I was able to find a site that actually still are selling these brand new at half the price. So I'm able to find it for you at less. So if you like them, definitely go into the site that I'm going to link below for you. And they are definitely true to size. So I am a 39. I got these in a 39. They fit comfortably. They're super comfortable. If you're wondering, Jackie, is it going to hurt me between my toes? No. Is it going to hurt me when I tie the strap around my ankle? No. The leather is a really nice soft leather, doesn't do that. And the bottom, although the bottom is like a more on the stiff side, but it still has a little bend and give to it, so you're able to comfortably walk and wear these all day long, no matter if you're wearing shorts or dress or leggings or short. It doesn't matter. You can wear these dress up or dress down. I have done both. I've loved every minute of having these, and you really wouldn't know that they're Valentino because they don't have like the standard stud on them, and they really have this really cute gold like little, I don't know what that is. It's like a little medallion there, face on it. Even with this outfit, I just have on shorts and a sweater, but it really just does go with everything. And so that's one pair of Valentinos. And here's another pair of Valentinos that I have. And this one I got a couple years ago. And this is called the Bordado. Next pair I'm going to share with you. You're going to say, yes, we know these are your favorite. But I have something new to add to that. And that is my Hermes Oran. As you guys know, I have them in this brown color that has like these like brown little studs on them, and then this is I don't know if it was snakeskin. This is like this is the snakeskin black ones. And let's see, now when it comes to the Orans, I'm gonna have to say I got these pre-owned at my right size. Could I have gone up just a smidge? I probably could. But I would say do that with the leather ones. But if it's a fabric version, I would probably stick to your regular size. I don't know what it is, but the fabric ones seem to fit a little bigger than the leather ones. I don't know, because I did try the fabric ones in the store last year. And when they ordered my size, they were still too big. So I did not end up getting them, so I'm just sticking to the leather because that just seems to work better for me. But moving forward, when I do buy other ones, I think I'm going to start buying a 39.5, just to sort of give me a little bit more length in the back is what I'm thinking. I don't really need it here in the width part, the foot part. It's more so the length is my main concern. So I think I'm going to do that moving forward. So, but here's the thing. You probably saw from the picture, you're like, okay, yeah, but you were holding up a Hermes box. And yes, I was holding up a Hermes box because I love them so much that I did bite the bullet and I did buy another pair for the summer. And so let's see if you could guess what color I got. Take a guess. What do you think? I said I have black, I have brown, and wow, that's so bad. I forgot my other colors that I have. But anyway, this is the color that I do not have. And I will show you. I got gold. So I'm sorry, let me change that. Yes, metallic gold, but the color that Hermes calls them is Vert bronze. So Vert bronze. And I did get them in a 39. I did buy these online. As you know, our stores are not open as of yet. So, and I ordered these things like probably a month ago and they just came literally the other day. So I thought this was the perfect time to do the video for you. I did not do the 39 and a half. So, but moving forward, I will definitely do a 39 and a half moving forward. I'm still going to rock these. I was thinking about changing into a 39 and a half, but when I went online, every single size was basically sold out the moment. I'm sure they'll restock it. So if they do restock the items or my store opens in the next couple of weeks before I decide to wear these, then I may change it and get the 39 and a half. But for right now, I've been wearing the other ones at 39 and it seems to work fine, but I'll try them on for you now so you can see how pretty they are. My first definitely pair of Louis Vuitton shoes that I ever bought, and at the time I don't really think I was really buying expensive shoes. I just know I saw these in the window one day. I don't remember where I was. Oh, I was walking past the Louis Vuitton store, I remember, and they had it in Louis Vuitton store, and I walked past and saw these shoes and thought, those are the most sexiest shoes I have ever seen in my life. And they came in black. They came in this pretty army green, and I think it was another color at the time, and they're called a Corfu. C-O-R-F-U is the name of the shoe. If you do find these anywhere on eBay, someplace, I think somebody did actually have a size 10 on eBay. If you do find them, I don't really wear heels. Anybody that knows me know I cannot walk in heels. Not that I don't think they're gorgeous, I can't walk in them. Other women are able to walk in it and they flow so well, so elegantly. I'm like, how are they freaking doing that? Not me. Your girl look ridiculous. So I know I can't go over a 3-inch, and that's exactly what this is. But for some reason, it's like so comfortable. I have worn this dress up, dress down. I've worn this to black tie events. I've worn this. I even had these on my 50th birthday with some just little white pants and a blazer. And you wouldn't even know they're Louis Vuitton. They're not marked anywhere besides obviously the tag. But yeah, it wasn't even about the name. It was just how sexy they were. Oh, they have the logo on the bottom. You just know it when you know it, and you know it when you see it. And when I saw it, I was like, and of course at the time I was like, then I realized Louis Vuitton really don't put shoes on sale. I kept like waiting, and then I went to Saks in New York to see if they had them cheaper, and I kept waiting. And then finally, I think like 6 months later, I said, if I don't get these shoes, as much as I keep thinking about them, I'm going to regret it, and then I won't have my size. And so my husband treated me to the shoes, and I have loved every moment of having them. So anyway, so this is my heel. I definitely think it's a good style, a peep toe, cut out, 2.5, 3-inch heel. Booty is perfect to wear with a short skirt, some rolled up jeans, cut off jeans, some shorts. Oh yes, shorts with these and a white blazer. So sexy. But anyway, so that is my 5 favorite pair of shoes types for the summer that I think are a go-to must, can't go wrong look to have in 2020. If you have any questions, definitely shoot me a message. I would love to provide any help for comment. And I love you guys. Stay safe, be well, be encouraged, and I'll be seeing you guys in a couple of days. Love you.